In the heart of the desert, where the sun's reign is undisputed, a different force of nature has made its presence known. Today, that is on 2nd of May, schools stand silent and offices lie dormant as heavy rains return to the Emirates. 2 weeks after record breaking downpours, experts point to an unsettling culprit: climate change. A tempest of lightning and wind swept through the oil rich monarchy overnight, leaving over 50 millimeters of rain in some areas. Dubai, the glittering jewel of the Middle East, is not spared from nature's fury. Floodwaters invade its bustling streets, disrupting the rhythm of daily life. Even the world's busiest airport, a symbol of connectivity, is forced to alter its course with flights cancelled and diverted. State-owned airlines Emirates and Fly Dubai issue warnings of delays, echoing the city's struggle to regain its footing amidst the deluge. Yet, as we witness the aftermath, it's clear that today's rains pale in comparison to the deluge of April 16th, a day etched in memory, where records shattered and lives were lost. On the fateful day, a staggering 259.5 milliliters of rain descended upon the Emirates, leaving a trail of devastation in its wake. Major roads were blocked for days, flights were grounded, and lives forever changed. But amidst the chaos, a sobering truth emerges. The fingerprints of climate change are unmistakable. World Weather Attribution, a network of scientists, confirms what many fear. The deluge was not just an act of nature but a warning sign of our changing climate. Global warming, fueled by the relentless burning of fossil fuels, has tipped the scales, making extreme weather events like these more frequent and severe. A choice lies before us as the water recede and the skies clear. Will we heed nature's warning and take decisive action to mitigate climate change? Or will we continue down a path of destruction, ignoring the signs until it's too late?